So I just got back from Mexico working on a job there, and I'm on my way to see the boat for the very first time. While I was gone, the mast got stepped in, and Patrick's been doing a lot of work on it, so I'm super excited. He's kept a lot of it as a surprise for me, so I don't know what to expect. And I mean, I'm gonna see Squiff with her mast. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited, and I can't wait. I'm almost there. What? She's beautiful. You want to see?
When you left, it was a motorboat. Now it's a sailboat.
I know, right? Oh my god, look how beautiful this mast is.
I'm a long way.
She has. Look at that. Wow.
So today is the day that Lorna and I have been waiting for. We are finally getting the mast put into the boat. My buddy Micah and Matt helped me bring the boat down here. It was about a 2-hour boat ride with the motor, doing about 5 knots. And we're now at the shipyard, and the mast is getting its final touches, and it's going to be put into the boat finally, which is fantastic. It's actually a sailboat at that point. Up until now, it's just been a really odd looking motorboat. So we got a sailboat after today, which is so cool. Okay, so we made it back to our slip under motor power. You can see the boom and mast is in behind me. So everything went well today. Alan has to come tomorrow and do a little bit of fine tuning and tweaking a little bit. And there's still a couple of things we need to buy before we can actually go sailing. But the main part is done and the mast is in. It's officially a sailboat.